Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube page. This is your boy Manny Sam, Cook and Dance with Manny. I'm here this morning about to make a yummy fluffy scrambled eggs with some shrimp and some waffles that you're gonna eat in the morning. Is gonna carry you throughout the day. Trust and believe. You're not gonna eat again till dinner time. So before I start this, I urge you all, if you're watching this and you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. That way, anytime I post a video, you get notified on your phone or your tablet or your laptop. I bought this Nutri-Grain whole wheat. This is my second time eating it, and it tastes real good. It's whole wheat, so all I do is this already prepared. I'm not making it from the scratch. I just throw two of them into the pan. I have the oven at 350, 400. Depends on how hungry you are. If it's 350, it might take maybe 8 to 12 minutes. But if you just put it at 400, I think in 10 minutes then it should be good and ready for you to eat. I'm using 3 eggs for the scrambled eggs. I have some butter. I have a quarter cup of milk. You can use any milk of your choice. Then I have half cup of maple syrup. I got this organic maple syrup from Costco. It's real good, delicious on your waffles or French toast or whatever. Then I have few shrimps. Large shrimp. I took the tails off. I have a piece of onion and 3 garlic. See, pieces of garlic. I'll let you see in a minute. Some peppercorn, salt, parsley. This is for during garnishing a little bit into the scrambled eggs, and olive oil. No, olive oil to make the shrimp. So here we go. We're gonna start now, but first I'm gonna put the waffle in the oven for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna look at the time now. It's 11:07. So I'm getting ready now to prepare the shrimp, since it's the eggs take so fast to prepare. So I will start with the shrimp, and before doing that, with a clean cloth, use a clean cloth to kind of make it dry a bit so it doesn't get wetty whilst you put it in the pan. Take heat high. The amount of onion you want to use is your choice, not too much of it, just a little bit, since we only got about 7 shrimps. It's not a whole lot. So then this garlic. A good way to test if your pan is very hot is just slap a little sip of water in there. If it doesn't splash, okay, you could hear the sound of splash. A little bit of olive oil around. This cast iron is very good for steak or making chicken breast, or shrimp and whatever. Yeah, I want that little brown color to it. Yeah, golden brown. We want that golden brown. And then next I'll put the onion. Then shrimp follows. Oh, I wish you were here to feel the smell, the aroma coming out of this. Overcook the shrimp too much, since I'm using it to eat with my scrambled eggs. So a pinch of salt, not too much, and then some peppercorn. Yeah, you cook one side for like 2 minutes, and then you roll the other side over for another minute or You can use either butter or you can use olive oil if you want. Um, yeah, I think a little butter. I'll be using the butter and making the scrambled eggs. So here we go. A little buttery. Taste to it. Let's see up and close. So this is done. So I'm gonna set it down up there so it will cool off whilst I prepare the scrambled eggs. No, I would take it. Good idea is to take it out of the skillet because it's still gonna be cooking. The skillet is very hot, and I need a little juice that it comes with. So I'm taking it and put it in this. So we have the shrimp here. Now I will start preparing the scrambled eggs. So we have this here. You always put the heat on medium low. Let's start it. I don't want to cook the scrambled eggs too fast. Um, I'm using this cube of butter. One, three. So mix it real good. Mix it, mix it, mix it. You can choose to use milk. I have a quarter of milk, or you can add a little bit water into it. So here you go. I may not use all of it. It's just depending on how fluffy you want your egg. So you gotta mix it. You can use a whip. They use this to whip it, whip it, whip it. I'm gonna wash cleaning that. So whip it. I think I need more. A little bit of milk. It's a quarter of milk, so I need. Oh, come on, pan. I need to invest in some good pans. Here we go. So, it's still on low heat. You're just gonna wait till it start cooking at the bottom of it, as you see it. Then you're gonna flip it from this side, from the corner sides into the middle. Let them all come and meet the middle. Once it comes into the middle, the uncooked part will just be flown over to the pan. Depending, a little pinch of salt. It won't hurt. I don't have a white pepper, so I'm not adding pepper right now. So you guys see, bringing it from the sides and this in to the middle. There's no special technique to it. You just keep bringing from the outside to the inside, and then you just start scrambling. You begin. I'm checking the waffles. Okay, like 2 minutes. I'll take the waffles out. Fluffy, fluffy. And this should take less than 5 minutes for you to prepare. You can taste it. It's almost done and ready to serve. Very simple shrimp and scrambled eggs to make at home. Fluffy scrambled eggs. I recently did one that I forgot to, I mistakenly deleted the scrambled eggs part that was preparing the fluffiness to show. So this is making up for that. So here we go. You see, when I put the fork in, it just rolls into it. Yeah, see? Very fluffy, so I'm gonna take it out. Syrup. And this is the one I'm using. I got it from Whole Foods. So heat it up a little bit. Tastes real good. Heat it up in the oven for just about 10 seconds, or you can put it in the microwave. Dry parsley just to garnish. Just give it a little color. So you guys see it? Now I am gonna put a shrimp. But here we go. Just to give you a little crunchy flavor to the shrimp. Very quick breakfast you can make at home and eat without spending money outside. So ladies and gentlemen, now all I need is a glass of OJ, glass of orange juice. And voila! Delicious! You see that? Thanks everybody for tuning in, watching my YouTube video and my presentation. This is a very simple meal you can prepare early in the morning before you go to work, or if you look me up on Instagram is MannySam75, Facebook is MannySam, and Twitter is MannySam. So I appreciate you watching. God bless, and be good to one another and be kind. Bye. Love is